Okay guys, as you all see, kasama si Chloe at kasama niya si
JM. At
gagawin
gagawin
namin
namin
ang
ang
challenge na
Wow, okay. Okay, una.
Supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, and flirty.
Flirty. Okay, una. Supportive.
Ladies first.
Wow! Okay!
Wow! Okay!
Okay! Okay, next. Disappointed. Wait lang. Disappointed. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Next.
Sarcastic.
Wow! Okay! Kasama yun. Okay.
Wow! Okay!
Okay. Okay, next. Flirty.
Flirty.
Wow. Okay.
Sa akin yan.
Ako.
Wow. Okay. Meron pa pala kami nakalimutan guys, which is yung angry.
Okay.